For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of messy countertops and cluttered kitchens? Are you struggling to find time to cook healthy meals with your busy lifestyle? /n/and you're not alone. Many of us are guilty of relying on takeout or processed foods because they're quick and easy, but we all know that's not the healthiest option. That's where the Magic Bullet Mini comes in, a compact and powerful blender that promises to make cooking and blending a breeze. /n/n, but here's what surprised me about this product. It's not just a blender, it's a game changer for anyone who wants to cook healthy meals without sacrificing time or space. Rehook, don't worry if you're skeptical, I'll be putting the Magic Bullet Mini through its paces and sharing my honest review of whether it's worth the extra money. Stick around to find out, but before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever tried to blend a smoothie with a traditional blender only to end up with a mess on your hands? The Magic Bullet Mini claims to solve this problem with its unique design and powerful motor. The Deep Dive 600 words. So what makes the Magic Bullet Mini so special? Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. /n/n Firstly, it's incredibly compact, measuring just 6 inches tall and weighing only 2 pounds. This makes it perfect for small kitchens or those who live in apartments with limited counter space. /n/n, but don't let its size fool you. The Magic Bullet Mini is packed with power. Its 250-watt motor can handle even the toughest ingredients, from frozen fruit to ice. /n/n One of the things that really stood out to me was how easy it was to use. Simply add your ingredients, blend, and voila, you've got a delicious smoothie or meal in minutes. Rehook, but don't just take my word for it. I'll be sharing some real-life examples of how the Magic Bullet Mini has changed cooking for me and my family. However, I know what you're thinking. Isn't this just another overhyped blender that's going to collect dust on my countertop? Not so fast. The Magic Bullet Mini is designed with practicality in mind. It comes with multiple cups and a carry-along container, making it perfect for meal prep or taking your smoothies on the go. Rehook, so what exactly can you make with the Magic Bullet Mini? From soups to salads, I'll be sharing some of my favorite recipes and tips for getting the most out of this incredible appliance. The resolution, 600 words. So is the Magic Bullet Mini worth the extra money? In my honest opinion, yes. /n/n While it may seem like a luxury item at first glance, the convenience and versatility it offers make it well worth the investment. Not to mention, it's durable and easy to clean, perfect for those of us who hate doing dishes. /n/n Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning some potential drawbacks. The Magic Bullet Mini can be a bit pricey, especially if you're on a budget. However, considering how often you'll use it, I think it's worth the splurge. Rehook, so what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Magic Bullet Mini today and start cooking up a storm. But before we wrap things up, let me leave you with one final thought. What would happen if you had more time to cook healthy meals and enjoy quality time with your loved ones? The possibilities are endless. /n/n So go ahead, click that link in the description and treat yourself to the Magic Bullet Mini. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Call to action. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below.